Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you exactly how you can make your text or text boxes appear one by one in your presentation on Google Slides really quickly and without any advanced skills whatsoever. So drop a like and now let us get started. So for the sake of this tutorial, let us customize and edit that slide here. I prepared for demonstration purposes. So I would like to present within my slideshow, for example, the title first, then that text box here below, and one by one, not at the same time. So this is how we can do it, guys. Start by selecting the first item or the first text box, which in this case it would be our title, with our left mouse or with the left mouse. And here in the top right corner, you will see an option called Animate. So click on it to select it. This option here on the right hand side will then appear. So what you want to do is select Object Animation and click on that arrow down icon here to expand it and select your object animation. So appear is probably the default animation, but you may switch, for example, to let's say fly in from left and leave it like that. Select on click from that menu below or choose after previous or with previous. However, for the sake of this tutorial, I will leave it at on click so that during the slideshow or during the presentation, the given item appears whenever I click, and that's basically it. So what you want to do after that is, for example, adjust the animation duration, like slow, medium, or fast, and watch it in a preview mode if you like. However, guys, before you do that, I would recommend to customize also the remaining items or text box of your slide. So continue with the next item, which in this case here is this text box, and I would like it to appear after the title. So repeat the same process, left click on the given item, select Animate here in the top right if you don't see it. If you already see that menu here to the right, select that or click on that arrow down icon here, Object Animation, and here you will see the customizations listed for your items. The upper customization or setup is referring to our title, so we will go with the lower setup here, appear. So what you want to do is click on that arrow down icon to expand and select your object animation. So let's keep it in the same manner and select fly in from the left so that all items appear with the same object animation to give your presentation a more professional touch. Leave it on click, for example, select by paragraph here, and make sure that you also adjust the animation speed, like slow, medium, or fast. And that's basically it. Now you can continue with other items, for example, if your slide contains more items or text box, or watch your fruits of work, for example, in the preview mode by clicking on play here. And that's all to it, guys. As you can see, it is super simple. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.